what did Ms. Moshazi get up to in 2022? You're going to love this. In 2022, she went on a 3-day shopping spree in London and hired a private jet to get her and her husband and 2 friends to London and back. The hiring of the jet was 3.5 million rand, more than her annual salary to hire a jet through ExecuJet, mind you, because she's very important. It's unclear who funded the junket. They stayed at a 5-star hotel that goes for at least minimum of 15,000 rand per person per night. At least. It's got to be a lot more than that. But already we talk about 60,000 rand a night just to sleep. Okay, now she's not the first government official to travel. We know that Fikile Mbalula, when he was Minister of Sport, one of his sponsors of one of his sports decided to treat him to a holiday to Dubai. The idiot was stupid enough to tweet about it, right? And there's still been no accountability. But Moshazi is not part of senior management of the ANC. Senior management of the ANC can do whatever they like. They can fly anywhere. They can drive on the wrong side of the road. They can stuff money in their couch. They will be protected by the president. She is, sorry for her, at the lower level, she's going to have absolutely no protection.